Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website using Vercel. So this is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, you have to log in your GitHub account. So you can see currently I'm in GitHub and I have logged in, right? So just go to github.com and you have to just log in, okay? So I'm logged in. Here you can see this is my GitHub home page. And now you have to actually go for the Vercel. So just type here Vercel and click in the first link and it will actually take you to the Vercel homepage. You have to actually log in. Sign up. So I have logged in. Here you can see, and you can actually sign up to anything like your Gmail account or GitHub account. So just go through any of them. And if you logged in through or sign up through your Gmail account, you have to actually connect your GitHub account through it. Okay. And after that, let's say you are in Vercel. Here you can see vercel.com. Now just click in the add new and click here in the project. Okay, and then you have to actually connect to your project. Here you can see this is your GitHub. So if you open your account and then sign up your account using Gmail, don't worry, you can actually add your GitHub account from here. Here you can see you have option here, add GitHub account. So just click here and it will actually offer you to actually logged into your GitHub account. I already logged into my GitHub account, and that is the reason actually it's showing like this. So now here you can see I have a bunch of different projects here. So I can actually add any project into it. But how to add a project in GitHub? Let me show you at first. So just click here, this option, profile option, and then you have to click here in the repositories. Click here, repositories. And here you have to actually click here in the new. And here you have to give a file name. It's a test Vercel. Okay. And then you have to actually select public here. And then you have to select create repositories. And here you will find an option called uploading an existing file. Click here, uploading an existing file, and now you have to choose your file. So I have already index.html file here, but you may have different file, let's say index.html, then style.css, and some other files, let's say image related, right? And folder also. So just drag all of them and select all of them and drag and drop it here, or maybe just open it here. But here you can see I have already one file, index.html, and keep remember that you have to have a file called index.html, okay? And that name should be index, okay? Not like home.html, test.html, not like that. You have to actually have a file called index.html. I already have this, so I'm going to add it here, and I'm going to say here commit changes. Here we go. So our file is added here in the repository, okay, and that is called test Vercel. So we'll actually go to the our Vercel, okay, vercel.com, and here you can see my project or a repository added. Here you can see test Vercel. So I want to add this, okay. I want to host this website. So I just have to actually click here import, and then everything will be fine here. Now I just have to say here deploy. Here we go. Congratulations. Okay, fine. Now we can actually visit to our website. So just click here continue, and here you will find the domain. Here you can see domain. So this is the domain. So just click here in the domain, and here you can see this is our website, right? And that's it, guys. This is how actually you can host your website using Vercel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.